Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you today an unboxing that was sent to me by Craspire. I have worked with them before and they were kind enough to send me some more dies to share with you guys. So I'm going to get right into it. I will have the links for each die listed below in the description box. So let's start with the first one. And this first one is a girl's die. Two came in a set. And this is the first one. And you can see that you have the face and the hair, a dress, her legs, a face here, and her arms. And then this is the second one. Same accessories. And the second one that I got is this mailbox die. So you have this oval mailbox. You have this regular mailbox. We have accessories here. The word love, flowers and hearts. And we have this envelope and this letter here. And then the little bitty flag to put on the mailbox. And I love that these pieces are stitched. I love stitched dies. So that's the second one. And then we have these dies, came as a set. We have a candy box and candy. So this is the box. We have the accessories, some flowers here, and we have a bow. And it does have stitching here. And then the second piece is the candy. So stinking cute. I can't wait to work with this. And then we have the sticks for the suckers here. We have a candy cane. So cute. I'm excited to work with that. And then we have this one here. This one is actually a suitcase, a rolling suitcase. So this piece here is the box, and of course you would have to cut this out twice. This is a pocket. These are the wheels for the box, for the suitcase rather, and then we have accessories here. And then this piece here are also accessories as well. This part here is the handle that you would use to roll the suitcase with, and you see we have tags here, and these pieces here are the little end pieces that go on the bottom, well, the bottom and top of the suitcase. Now I do have to say, I did check to make sure that all of these were still on the website before I did my video, and this one was not on the website. So if you like this, make sure you just check back to see if they have it back in stock. And so the last one is this metal rolled flower die. I am so excited to work with this. You get 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 10 flowers, okay? This is the first one, and you can see the design of each one. And then this is the second one. You get to see the design, and then they come with accessory pieces as well. And the great thing about this is that you get to actually put this in your cutting machine, just like this, and you're able to cut out 6 flowers at one time. So I'm super excited to work with these dies. This one also, I checked the site, it was not available. So if you like this, just make sure you keep checking to see when it's back in stock. So I will definitely be making projects with these. It is December the 14th. Christmas is next week, so videos may be coming the week after Christmas. Of course, we're going to be celebrating the holiday, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I will have the links down below. Make sure you check their website. They have a lot of great things, and they are very reasonably priced. Again, thanks for watching. You know that I appreciate it, and you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.